Finding a way to recover erased messages from Instagram post update can be perplexing, wondering if it's possible to retrieve those precious exchanges. The answer isn't straightforward. According to Instagram's policy, once a message is deleted, it's promptly removed from your account and shifted to recently deleted. However, this cache of memories lasts only 30 days before disappearing. So, is there hope for resurrecting these lost conversations? Let's explore the only known method to recover deleted messages from Instagram after an update. If you've accidentally bid adieu to a message on Instagram, fear not. There's a lifeline. Follow these simple steps to embark on your message restoration journey. Go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right, then tap Your Activity. Scroll down to download your information and tap it. Enter the email address where you'd like to receive the data and tap Request Download. Enter your Instagram password and tap Next. Wait for an email titled Your Instagram Information and click Download Information. Log in again if needed, then click Download Information once more. Choose Message and proceed to extract. Head to the Messages folder to view your chats. Keep in mind that this folder contains only what's stored on Instagram's servers, so not everything may be recoverable. And there you have it, a glimpse into message recovery on Instagram. If you found this helpful, consider liking and sharing. Subscribe for more insights into the digital realm. Until next time.